Welcome to Cyber World YT. Like and subscribe if you are new here. Also follow me on Instagram for in case of any queries. In the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. Hackers and security experts rely on powerful tools. One such tool is Nmap. Nmap stands for Network Mapper. It's essential for network security. Nmap is like a digital detective. This guide will cover its basics. We'll explore its features and uses. Imagine seeing every device on a network, uncovering hidden ports and vulnerabilities. That's the power of Nmap. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, Nmap is invaluable. It maps networks and identifies vulnerabilities, used in ethical hacking and penetration testing. Security professionals audit networks with it. System administrators troubleshoot with it. Its applications are vast and evolving. This guide is a beginner-friendly introduction. We'll cover installation, commands, and examples. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We'll also emphasize the ethical implications. Nmap is a free and open-source tool. It's available for various operating systems. Nmap is renowned for its speed and accuracy. It can scan large networks in a matter of minutes. But what exactly can Nmap do? Nmap's primary function is network scanning. It allows you to discover active hosts on a network. Nmap can identify open ports and services running on those hosts. This information is crucial for understanding a network's security posture. Nmap goes beyond basic scanning. It can detect the operating system of a target machine. It can even determine the version of services running on that machine. This detailed information is invaluable for security assessments. Nmap is highly customizable. Users can tailor scans to their specific needs. Whether you need a quick scan or a deep dive, Nmap has the options to meet your requirements. This flexibility makes it an indispensable tool for security professionals and hackers alike. Kali Linux is a popular operating system for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes pre-installed with a suite of security tools, including Nmap. If you're using Kali Linux, you likely already have Nmap installed. However, it's always a good idea to ensure you have the latest version. To check if Nmap is installed, open your terminal and type nmap version. This command will display the version of Nmap installed on your system. If Nmap isn't installed, you can easily install it using Kali's package manager. To install Nmap, open your terminal and type sudo apt install nmap. This command will download and install Nmap and its dependencies. Once the installation is complete, you can verify it by running the command again. Now that you have Nmap installed, let's move on to exploring its essential commands and how to use them effectively. Remember, always use Nmap responsibly and only on systems you have permission to scan. Section 4. Essential Nmap commands, a hacker's toolkit. Nmap offers a plethora of commands. These commands provide flexibility in network scanning. Let's explore some essential Nmap commands. 1. The basic Nmap command is Nmap, and after that place, the IP address of target 2 performs a default scan of the target IP address. It includes a SYN scan for common ports and attempts to determine the operating system and services. 2. Nmap-SS, then capital SS, and after that type IP address of target. The SYN scan, also known as a stealth scan, is less likely to be detected by firewalls. 3. Nmap-P, then port number, and after that target's IP address to specify a specific port or range of ports to scan. 4. Nmap-0, then target's IP address. It enables OS detection to identify the operating system running on the target machine. These are just a few of the many commands Nmap offers. Section 5. Nmap in action real-world applications. Nmap is a versatile tool. It has numerous applications in cybersecurity. Let's explore some real-world scenarios. 1. Penetration testers use Nmap to simulate real-world attacks. They identify vulnerabilities in target systems. Nmap aids in discovering open ports, services, and potential security flaws. This information helps organizations strengthen their defenses. 2. Network administrators use Nmap for security audits. They can identify unauthorized devices on their networks. Nmap can locate misconfigured services and uncover potential security risks. 3. Nmap can be used in conjunction with vulnerability scanners. It identifies potential vulnerabilities in systems and applications. This information allows organizations to prioritize patching and mitigation efforts. 4. In the event of a security incident, Nmap can help identify the scope of the breach. It can track down malicious activity and assist in forensic investigations. These examples demonstrate Nmap's versatility. It is an indispensable tool for anyone involved in cybersecurity. Section 6. Ethical hacking. Using Nmap responsibly. Nmap is a powerful tool. It can be used for both ethical and unethical purposes. It's crucial to use Nmap responsibly and ethically. Ethical hackers use Nmap to improve security. They identify vulnerabilities to report to organizations. This responsible disclosure helps organizations fix weaknesses before malicious actors can exploit them. Unethical use of Nmap can have serious consequences. Unauthorized scanning of networks or systems is illegal in many jurisdictions. It can lead to legal penalties and damage to your reputation. Always obtain written permission before scanning any network or system that you do not own or have explicit authorization to test. This ensures you operate within legal and ethical boundaries. Section 7. Conclusion. Your journey to mastering Nmap begins now. Nmap is an essential tool for anyone involved in cybersecurity. Its ability to map networks, identify vulnerabilities, and gather crucial information makes it invaluable for security professionals and ethical hackers alike. This essay provided a beginner-friendly introduction to Nmap. We've explored its features, installation, essential commands, and real-world applications. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use Nmap ethically and legally. Your journey to mastering Nmap doesn't end here. Explore the tool further.